Alright, let's make heart sounds simple. If you're a nursing or med student, this is for you. What are heart sounds? They're the noises your heart makes when valves open and close, and when blood moves through the chambers. You listen with a stethoscope. That's auscultation. There are two main groups, normal, abnormal, or extra. S1, the first heart sound. This is the classic LUB. It happens when the atrioventricular valve, mitral, snaps shut. It also happens when the atrioventricular valve, tricuspid, snaps shut. You'll hear S1 best at the apex, the bottom tip of the heart. S1 marks the start of systole. Ventricles contract and pump blood out. Next up, S2, the second heart sound. This is your dub. It's the semilunar valve, aortic, closing, and the semilunar valve, pulmonary, closing. You'll hear S2 best at the base, the top of the heart. S2 signals end of systole and start of diastole. Heart relaxes and fills. So lub-dub is what a normal heart should sound like. Now sometimes you'll hear extra sounds. That's where S3 and S4 come in. S3 happens just after S2. It sounds like LUB-dub-ta. In kids this can be normal. In adults it might mean heart failure, or too much fluid in the heart. S3 is called a gallop rhythm. Think horse trotting. S4 is a bit different. S4 comes right before S1. It sounds like te-lub-dub. S4 points to a stiff ventricle. Causes include high blood pressure or aortic stenosis. Then there are murmurs. Not single beats but prolonged sounds. Blowing, swishing, rumbling. Murmurs come from turbulent flow, valve too tight, stenosis, or valve leaking, regurgitation. You might also hear clicks or snaps. High-pitched, abnormal valve sounds. Example, mitral valve prolapse. And don't forget the pericardial friction rub. It's a scratchy, grating noise from an inflamed pericardium. The sac around the heart. Think pericarditis. Quick recap: S1, lub, AV valves close, start of systole normal. S2, dub, semilunar valves close, start of diastole normal. S3, rapid filling, early diastole, can mean heart failure in adults. S4, stiff ventricle, late diastole, think hypertension or stenosis. Murmurs. Turbulent flow could be any phase, signals valve problems, friction rub, inflamed pericardium, scratchy sound, think pericarditis. That's it. Heart sounds made simple.